Now we will see how to start Tally and how the starting screen will be. In old version, we can install the Tally in system by copy and paste in selected drive from CD. But in ninth version, we can install Tally with the help of MSI installer setup. Then we can install the Tally. When we install the Tally, then we can see icon on the desktop automatically and in startup menu. We can open the Tally through programs Tally 9 and Tally 9 release. Or we can also open Tally by clicking on the Tally icon directly on desktop. Now we can see activation form. Here we have to give serial number, key number. Now we can give any number here and we have to give email ID for automatic updation. Now I am not giving email ID. Here we can see could not connect to the internet. It means I am not connected the Tally to internet. Press any key. This is the starting screen. In left side we can see name of the company. Now it will not display company names because we did not create the company. And when we create the company, then we can see the company names here. And here we can see the date for last voucher entry. On right side we can see the company information. Select company is in disable mode because we did not create the company. Next one is create company. This option is used to create a new company. Next one is backup. This option is used to back up the company details. And next one is restore. This option is used to restore the backup details. Quiet is used to end the Tally. We can click on the option through mouse or we can press the shortcut keys. In create company, we can see the letter C is highlighted in red color. When we press the key C in keyboard, then creation menu is opened. If we want to go back to the company information, then we have to press escape key in keyboard. Now it will ask quite yes or no. Now we have to press Y key in keyboard. Like this we can go for previous screen and it will ask yes or no. If we press yes, then we will go to the previous screen, otherwise it will not go to the previous screen. Here we have calculator and shortcut key is Ctrl N. Suppose I am giving the value 5 plus 7 and press enter key, then we can get the result immediately. Like this we can calculate the values, and if we want to go gateway of Tally, then we have to press Ctrl M, then it will activate. And if we press Ctrl N, then calculator will be activated. And here we can see date and time information. Here we have buttons. Now we did not create the company so that it shows only some buttons. Here we can see the feature. With the help of this option, we can select accounting, inventory and statutory features in a company. We can enable or disable the feature which we want. Here we have to select the particular feature and it will apply only for that particular company only, and it will not apply for the other companies. And next one is F12 is a configuration. This option is used to set the reporting, printing and numerical style settings, and it will apply for all companies. Like this we will get startup screen. We have number of shortcut keys for quick entry in Tally. Hotkeys or shortcut keys. Hotkeys are the letters which are in red color, like in backup B and in restore R and quit Q. And we have shortcut keys also. We can see these shortcut keys at the right side of the startup screen. We did not create the company so that the shortcut keys are not displayed, otherwise it will display. F1 is used to select company. If we want to shut down the current company, then we have to press Alt F1. F2 is used to change the date. Alt F2 is used to change the period. F3 is used to change the company if we have multiple companies. And if you want to show the company information menu, then we have to press Alt F3. If we are in Accounts Voucher, then we can use these shortcut keys like Alt F1 inventory buttons, F2 change date, company selection, contra voucher, etc. Like this, we have different types of shortcut keys in Tally. And in inventory mode also, we have shortcut keys. Later, we will learn how these shortcut keys will work.